Hey Bella, I ate all your Halloween candy.
Why?
Because I was hungry last night.
It was yummy. We ate it all and we loved it.
There was a whole bunch of chocolate and we ate your candy canes too.
That was mine.
Yeah, but we were hungry. I'm sorry, we were hungry. Oh, come here, Bella. Come here.
We didn't really eat it.
We were playing.
We're playing. No, we didn't eat it.
still have it.
We still have it. We didn't eat it. No,
Oh, you filming it? Okay.
we didn't eat it.
We still have it. We're going to give it to you tomorrow.
Okay? You still love me? It's okay. Bella, do you still love me?
I love you, Bella.
I'm just kidding. It's in our belly and we ate it all.
Don't say that.
Alright, go with Grandpa and go whine about it. Go.
Go get Grandpa's going to give it to you.